Hello everyone, welcome to Full Course Online. In this video, I will show you how to rename multiple files at once in Windows 11. This method is very useful when you have many files like photos, documents, or videos that need similar names. Let's begin. First, open File Explorer. Navigate to the folder that contains the files you want to rename. Now select all the files you want to rename. You can do this by pressing Ctrl+A on your keyboard to select all files in the folder. If you only want to select some files, hold the Ctrl key and click each file. Once the files are selected, press F2 on your keyboard. The first file name will become editable. Type the new name you want to use. For example, you can type project file. Now press Enter. Windows will automatically rename all selected files using the same name and add numbers at the end. For example, Project File 1, Project File 2, Project File 3. This is the fastest way to rename many files at the same time. And that's how you rename multiple files at once in Windows. If this tutorial helped you, subscribe to Full Course Online for more practical computer tutorials.